In 2014, toxic algal blooms cost Toledo $65 million and left 500,000 people without water. By 2025, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration recorded the earliest bloom toxins in Lake Erie ever. Despite a pledge to cut phosphorus runoffs by 40% by 2025, Ohio and Michigan have missed their targets. Now most people still understand why this is happening. So we want to change that through our algal risk bloom simulator.
This is our control water. It's clear, and as you can see here from the dashboard, it has a very high light raw IDC and no nutrient level. And this is our water with cornstarch, which is supposed to represent the algae bloom inside the water. As you can see here, it has a very high nutrient level, representing the algae in the water. Good. And for this example, we're using warm water here. As you can see, the temperature is slightly up, but it doesn't really affect anything, just how we want it to. As you can see here, the risk is measured by this LED strip. So as you can see, we have good nutrient levels. As soon as the light goes down, we should have bad. Here's the key, this rainfall slider. Rain is what washes fertilizer into the water, which causes the algae bloom. So you can see here in a cropland, um, a, if the nutrient levels were very low, it'd be very high risk. But in a forest where um, there's trees everywhere and there's no farmland, we have a lower high risk.
Two sensors on the container, a photoresistor measuring turbidity for nutrient concentration, and a DHT11 for temperature. Data streams over Wi-Fi via WebSocket to our React dashboard. The algorithm weights nutrients at 60% and temperature at 40%, matching research showing phosphorus is the primary driver of Lake Erie blooms. Rainfall and land use act as multipliers.
Existing tools are reactive. Satellites detect blooms after they form. Lab tests need expensive equipment, and public education is just articles people scroll past. But our approach doesn't just show the symptoms, we teach the causes. We're moving from passive reading to physical interaction, because the people most affected by these blooms deserve tools that meet them where they are.
Built for farmers, students, and communities near Lake Erie. The Toledo crisis hit low-income communities hardest. They couldn't even afford bottled water. Our tool needs no lab, no degree, just water and curiosity. At scale, imagine these sensors along Maumee River tributaries as a community-driven early warning network. Environmental science meets public health, meets agriculture policy, meets embedded engineering. Thank you.